You installed an ESE lightning arrestor on your site, but how do you know it is still working? In today's video, you will learn how to check the health of your ESE lightning arrestor. But why should you listen to us? At Axis, we have been manufacturing a wide range of earthing and lightning protection products, including lightning arrestors for the past 30 years. You will see our products installed in solar farms, data centers, commercial and residential projects in more than 100 countries. Let's start by understanding the basics. An ESE lightning arrestor captures a lightning strike and sends it to the ground. But if it fails, the strike will not follow the safe path. It can hit your structure, damage your equipment, and stop your operations. That is why you need to check if your arrestor is working. This device, called the ESE Health Tester, checks the internal circuits and helps you test your arrestor before a failure happens. Now let's understand how you can test it. First, check the tester. Make sure the device is on and the probes. Now connect the wires to the ESE. Follow the color code. Red goes to the upper terminal. Black goes to the lower terminal. Green goes to the rod. Switch on the device, press the test button and observe the result. If the green LED glows, that channel is working fine. If the red LED glows, that channel has a fault. Similarly, connect all the probes to the upper and lower spikes. This test gives you a quick check of your arrestor health. As you can see, after connecting all the wires, green LED is glowing. This indicates that Axis ESE lightning arrestor is working fine. It will capture the lightning strike and sends it to the ground. I hope you now have a clear understanding of how to check the health of your arrestor. The ESE arrestors manufactured at Axis are type tested by an independent third-party lab in full compliance with the NFC 17-102 standard.